Hello, in this video I will show you how to create beautiful nails from short broken nails to something like this. No one said that short nails should be boring. This is the end effect that I want to show you today, so let's get started. This is the base, my nails that are broken, that are in different shapes, and also they have some old polisher that we need to remove. So let's get started. I will use the brand Indigo for all accessories and products. I will use remover and cleanser. I will also use cotton pads, rosewood sticks for cuticles and correction. I will also use sonda for decoration. I will also use different types of polisher, the standard block and also the polisher with different gradation, 180 and 240. For color polishers, I will use indigo base and top coat and also white color, the same I'm using for French manicure. Here are some random stickers I have found in my closet with different patterns that I will use for decoration as well. The last product I will use is the old polisher that I'm using for reduction of old shellac and also primer for shellac. In the first phase I'm making matte the first polisher, so it will look like this. I am putting remover on my cotton pads, then putting cotton pads towards the nails where I have polisher and clipping them with those clippers that hold the cotton pad very closely to my nail. After 5-10 minutes, the nail polisher have melted quite well, so I can remove them with rose wooden sticks. Then I am using polishing block to remove the last part, my shellac, and then I'm using remover one more time to secure that non-single piece have left on my nails. And now I can see how uneven they are when it comes to the length. So first I'm polishing them from the front and then on the sides to secure that I have all sides even, and in the end I'm putting my hand in a circle motion down towards the end of the nail. This small trick prevents from splitting ends. I'm using also polisher block to remove my cuticles. I don't have so much of cuticles growing every time, and this is how I remove them. Great, now my nails are short, even and matte. Also cuticles are removed. Now I'm using cotton pads to remove the dust and the powder from my nails. And I will take Melissa primer to prime my nails before putting shellac polisher. With a primer I'm not very precise, it just has to dry, it doesn't create any shape on your nails. You can be messy with it. Now when it's dry, I'm pushing upwards my cuticles to secure that if I will put a polisher, it will go very high, the highest it can. Now nails are prepared for the colors. I am using standard LED lamp with 5, 30 and 60 seconds timer. First I will go with protein base and I'm putting it on all nails. When it's done, I'm putting it to the lamp and I'll press 30 seconds button so it will calculate my time. Perfect, now it's done and I will go with white French polisher, and as you can see, and I think for many brands, white color is not always covering with first layer, so I will go with 2 layers with this polisher. Okay, great. Now to secure white color, I will put the top coat on all nails. Again, to the lamp. After 30 seconds, we are done. Now I will cut the shape and the pattern I chosen. Those are purple feathers. I will use cleanser to clean the nail polisher and to make sure that it's not gluey. And I'm using sticker. I'm putting them first to the water and then pressing against the nail. And this is the result I'm getting. I'm getting feathers on my nails. And I don't know why, but actually the color has changed after I used them. And then I realized that actually if I will use the other side and flip 180 degrees the feather after I will put them on the nail, I will get the color I want. I don't know why it worked like this, but it did. So yeah, I actually mixed. Some nails are in more dark colors, and on one of the fingers I will use zirconias and I will place them between feathers. I will secure everything one more time with a top coat and put that to the lamp. So guys, first hand is ready. What do you think? Do you like the patterns? Do you like how does it look like? I think it's very interesting. And I will proceed with the same process on the second hand. So I have already polished my nails, already put color on them, and right now I'm pressing against my nails the stickers. And I'm pressing stickers against my fingers, and I will try flip the color again and put it on the nail. So as you can see, it will be kind of like a mosaic with different colors, but in the end it will look so good. I will use the cleanser one more time to remove the gluey texture, and that's the final result. Beautiful short nails with some exotic feathers in different colors. It looks beautifully, it looks like a mosaic, and also we have some zirconias. Give me a thumb up if you like it, and of course welcome to my cosmetology channel. If you want to subscribe, please click the red button and notification bell on so you can have weekly update from tips and tricks on beauty in natural healthcare. Thank you so much for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in next video. Bye!